We've been reporting on how the US and Ukraine have now reached a new agreement on access to rare earth mineral deposits. But earlier this week, Russian President Vladimir Putin also hinted at a possible collaboration with Washington on the development of its rare earth metals. Russia is one of the undisputed leaders in terms of reserves of these rare earth metals. We have them in the north in Murmansk, in the Caucasus in Kabardino-Balkaria, in the Far East, in Irkutsk region in Yakutia, in Tiva. These are quite capital-intensive investments, Putin claimed. The development of the Tonta rare earth deposit in Yakutia, one of the largest in the world, is the most promising for attracting foreign investors, Maxim Kudalov, chief strategist of the Vector Capital Investment Company, told Business Daily Vedomosti. From a US perspective, Washington may be most interested in rare earths such as neodymium and praseodymium, which are used to make permanent magnets for microelectronics, as well as lanthanum and cerium, Kudalov said. However, as exiled outlet Novaya Gazeta Europe pointed out, current sanctions prohibit the country from investing in Russia's rare earths.